Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Marjorie. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the family. Before we get into today's video, I just want to say happy new year, you guys. I know like I'm late, but hey, I apologize for that. And also one thing I would like to also address is that I am so sorry that I haven't been able to upload any videos, and it's not like I didn't want to put out content. I was recording some videos, I was doing some content, and unfortunately, I just didn't like the kind of content that I was creating, the videos that I was making. I just didn't like them, so that's why I wasn't able to post them. So now I'm fully back. I want to try to upload maybe to be uploading maybe like 3 videos or 2 videos in a week, because like literally I have nothing interesting in my life that I have to be like uploading videos each and every day. My life isn't that interesting, so I'll try to be uploading 3 videos or 2 videos in a week, because sometimes it can be very hard because you're creating so much content, and at the same time you need to sit down and you need to edit those videos, because you can just upload those videos, and that also takes up a lot of time. It's a lot of work as well. So yes, I will try to do that. So today, I think the previous video that you guys are just seeing, me doing my hair and stuff like that, it's a footage from last week. So last week I did my hair, and I was supposed to like a vlog, show you guys other stuff, but then I was lazy. I would say that I was just lazy to do that. But now I'm back, so I hope you guys are going to enjoy my content and you're gonna stick around. And also, I really appreciate those people that just come to my channel and watch my videos. It really means a lot to me. And also, you need to subscribe to my channel, because like my goal for this year, I feel like I'm talking too much, but anyways, my goal for this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna need you guys to help me. I'm gonna need you guys to help me to reach 1,000 subscribers, because I've noticed that there are many of you that watch my videos. Well, not really that many, but considering to my level, yes, many of you that have been watching my videos, but most of you haven't subscribed to my channel. So I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what exactly are you waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. It's so free. You don't have to pay like anything and stuff like that. So yeah, I've already started off my day. I've talked too much, and let me get into today's video. I've already started my day. I didn't show you guys. I did the chores. I think I'm just gonna, that will be another content. I did the chores and stuff like that at the house. So now I just want to have my breakfast, and then I'm gonna wait for my sister to wake up, because we need to go to Checkers. There are a few things that we need to get. So yeah, I hope you guys are gonna stick around with me, and you're gonna watch my video up until the end. The end, please, you guys. You have to watch my video up until the end. It really means a lot to me. You see? So you guys, I hope you guys are gonna stick around, be with me throughout the entire process, my day, how I'm going to spend my day. Actually, I'm just gonna go to Checkers, come back, prepare supper, and yeah. So I'm back. I'm finally at home. As you guys saw, I was just unpacking some of the things that I got at Pick and Pay. So now I will be preparing this for dinner for supper. Yeah, so I will be preparing mincemeat and then also beans, but they're already cooked. I'm just gonna add some tomatoes to it, and then yeah, we're done. So let's get right into the video, the vlog. Yes, it's a continuation, by the way. guys. So I'm done with my cooking, and now I'm just gonna wait for my sister to prepare taco, and then we're gonna have beans, mincemeat, and nsima, not pap, but I still say nsima, yes. So yeah, that's it. And lastly, I just want to say thank you to every one of you that has taken their time to watch my video up until this far. It really, really means a lot to me. And you guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video, share. Let me know in the comment section like what you'd like to see in my next video. And also, share to your friends, you guys. This year we need to reach at 1,000 subscribers. Please, you guys, I'm gonna need your support. I'm gonna need your help. So you guys make sure you subscribe, like, share, subscribe to my channel, you guys. Please, I'm begging. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, and bye.